guys, my name is Rahat. I have recently been on the lookout for an efficient mixer grinder, and that's when I came across the Philips mixer grinder. I've been using it for over a week now and I'd love to show you all its features. Made from strong ABS material and stainless steel, the entire Philips mixer set looks gorgeous. The use of high-end material also provides it with a stylish premium finish. Furthermore, its unique triangular design makes it easy on the eyes and extra appealing. This product is equipped with a powerful 750 watt turbo motor. With advanced air ventilation and a sturdy coupler, using this product is super convenient. It allows for 25 minutes of continuous grinding even with the toughest ingredients. Equipped with specialized blades, it also has a semi-transparent lid that allows you to keep an eye on the consistency of the mix inside. The jars are also equipped with rubber gaskets to make them spill and leak proof. The Philips mixer and grinder is apt for all your mixing and grinding needs daily.